What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Heart Harmonics before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Heart Harmonics works. What is Heart Harmonics? Heart Harmonics is a holistic healing program designed to harmonize your heart and mind, helping you reconnect with your emotions and achieve inner peace. Using specially designed audio frequencies and heart-centered techniques, this system focuses on opening the heart chakra, releasing negativity, and fostering emotional healing. With Heart Harmonics, you can harness the power of your heart for deep emotional healing, release past traumas and negative patterns that hinder your growth, gain mental clarity and achieve emotional balance, build a stronger connection with yourself and others. Whether your goal is emotional release, cultivating self-love, or personal growth, Heart Harmonics provides the tools and guidance to help you lead a balanced and harmonious life. How does Heart Harmonics work? Heart Harmonics uses sound frequencies and guided exercises to activate and heal the heart chakra. Here's how it works. Sound healing. The program offers audio frequencies specifically designed to open and heal the heart chakra, promoting emotional and physical equilibrium. Heart-centered exercises. Guided practices help synchronize your heart and mind, enabling you to release negativity and embrace love, gratitude, and peace. Emotional release. Techniques focus on clearing emotional blockages, freeing you from fear, anger, and sadness, and creating space for positivity. Deep healing. By tapping into the heart's energy, you can experience profound emotional and mental healing, fostering clarity, inner peace, and connection. Is Heart Harmonics legitimate? Yes, Heart Harmonics is a credible and effective emotional healing program. It incorporates sound therapy, a practice with centuries of proven success in supporting emotional, mental, and physical healing. Users frequently share positive experiences, highlighting the program's impact on releasing negativity and rediscovering their authentic selves. Is Heart Harmonics safe? Absolutely. Heart Harmonics is built on natural and gentle healing methods that are safe and non-invasive. Its foundation in sound frequencies and guided exercises ensures there are no side effects. However, if you have specific health concerns, consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new program is advisable. Where to buy Heart Harmonics? You can purchase Heart Harmonics exclusively from its official website. Buying directly from the site ensures you receive the authentic program and access secure payment and delivery options. Does Heart Harmonics work? Yes, Heart Harmonics has proven effective for many individuals. Users have reported feeling more at peace and emotionally balanced, releasing negative emotions and past traumas, developing stronger connections with their inner selves and others. Whether you're working through emotional pain, seeking inner harmony, or enhancing self-love, Heart Harmonics provides actionable and proven techniques to support your journey.